FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And in this video guys, let's talk about how we can fast track your trading. If I had to start all over again from the very beginning, this is how I would do it to fast track my trading and just speed up the process knowing what I know now. So let's get into it. So the fast track of your journey is very simple. The first thing, obviously, we have to have a strategy that's proven to work. So as long as we have a strategy that's proven to work, that's the main thing that we're going to need. The rest of it, honestly, is just time, right? So if you need a strategy, for example, I don't care what strategy you use. There's hundreds of strategies out there. As long as it's proven to work, that's all that matters, right? If you don't have a strategy, just simply go to our playlist, Trading with Market Makers. There's a free strategy right there for you that you can use. But once you have your strategy that's proven to work, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to purchase some backtesting software. There are a few out there that are great to work with. So please check out the links in the description of this video. I'll have some links for you for different backtesting software that our members use, and you can give those a try. But most importantly is to purchase some kind of backtesting software because you're going to need it. Okay, the purchasing of the backtesting software is what's going to actually allow you to fast track your journey. Okay, because imagine if we did not have any kind of backtesting software technology that we could use, and imagine that your backtesting literally had to be done every single day on the fly as the live charts were playing out. Okay, think about how long it would take you to actually go through your trading journey. Okay, so after you purchase the backtesting software, what you're going to do is you're going to spend the next month every day backtesting the strategy using the software. Now, while you're backtesting, you're going to collect as much data as possible when it comes to the strategy itself. You can make up your own journal in numbers, or if you have like Excel spreadsheets or hell, a pen and paper, it doesn't matter, right? But you're just going to collect data along the way as you're backtesting, because if you're backtesting, you might as well get as much information out of it as possible. Okay. So for those of you that want to know what does a backtesting journal look like, it looks like this. Okay, this is a backtesting journal actually from one of our students. So this is what it looks like. Okay, you're collecting data. You're collecting day, session. Are you coming off of peak formation, highs, lows? What time did you enter the trade by the hour, minute? What time was the stop hunt by the hour, minute? Were you going short or long? What's the entry type? So all these data points that you're collecting, okay? Was it a win? Was it a loss? All right. Reason for exiting, hit, take profit, or whatever the case may be. And then most importantly, your entry, you're screenshotting your entry, you're screenshotting your exit. Okay. And then you're doing all this confirmation patterns. So this is an example of collecting data. Okay. So use this as, inspiration for stuff that you should be collecting. And again, it just depends on what strategy you're actually using. Okay. But for our strategies that we teach our students, this is what we give them. We give them this journal to actually backtest and collect data from. So this is what a backtesting journal would look like for you guys. So the next thing is, if you're not getting 70% or better win rate on that strategy, review the data to see why you're losing your trades. So if you are not getting a 70% win rate or higher, take a look at the data that you've collected, right? What does it tell you about all the losses? What do they all have in common? Okay. And so once you find out what all of the losses have in common, then you can go ahead and make corrective measures on those losses and then rerun another month of backtesting. Okay, this only works, guys, whenever you have a full month of data, okay, a full month of backtesting, that you're able to produce 70% or higher win rate. Okay, so once you get to 70% or higher win rate, you're going to move on to a demo account and start forward testing the strategy for 100 trades. Okay, so you're going to open up a demo account. Doesn't matter with what broker, just open up a demo account. Okay, and you're going to start basically forward testing. So meaning you're going to get up for London, get up for New York session, whatever session you want to trade, and you're actually going to trade that session on a demo account for 100 trades. Okay, once you get to that 100 trade mark, take a look at the data, take a look at the trades, okay, and see, okay, do I have a 70% win rate again on demo? If the answer is yes, then you move on to the next step. If the answer is no and you don't have a 70% win rate or higher on a demo account, then the same thing, you go back through your losses and you take a look, what did you do wrong in the losses? How could you avoided the losses that you took? And then rerun the same thing again. Go on a demo account and rerun it for 100 trades and making sure that you can hit that 70% or higher win rate. Okay, so once you've done that, if you can go over 70% win rate on a demo account, then move to a live trading account with $100 in it. Okay, and the purpose of this particular trading account is not to actually make money off of it, but I need you to get comfortable with the live market on a live account, not a demo account, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to take 100 trades on this live account, and all you're going to do is every single trade is going to be a 0.01 lot size. All the trades, every single one of those trades is going to be 0.01 that you're going to take. And the same thing, you're going to take 100 trades on that live account and see, do we get a 70% or higher win rate? If we do, fantastic. From there, if you get a higher 70% or higher win rate on a live account after 100 trades, then you're really now ready to go into trading actual, some actual real money. So what you can do from there is you can go into and take like an FTMO challenge or, any of these funding challenges so you can pass and then have some actual capital. Or if you already have the capital to begin with, let's say $1,000, then you can go ahead and actually trade a live account with $1,000 and then move forward. But if you can't get a win rate over 70% or higher on the live account with $100 just trading 0.01s, then there's no point in you moving on any further, right? You do the same thing. You repeat and rinse. You take a look at your losses. What do the losses have in common? And then you redo the $100 challenge again. Take another 100 trades and then go ahead and go from there. Okay, so if I had to start all over again, this is what I would do to fast track my trading journey again. All right, so I hope this helped. If you like this type of content, let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next one. Guys, if you need any more help or you like the content that we provide on this channel, come on over to the FXN MasterClass. It's available right now. What you get essentially is a lifetime membership, a full mentoring course, an advanced course. You get the Blue Summit videos, weekly Q&A sessions every Sunday, group session archives, which that by alone has about 100 hours of content, weekly analysis videos, midweek analysis videos, MT4 and MT5 indicators, a customized trading journal so you could actually journal your trades every day, and then a backtesting journal that you can use to backtest and collect all of your data. Not to mention a mentoring private chat, guys. So all the information is in the link in the description if you want to join now. We look forward to seeing you there, guys, and take care of yourselves.